Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Macy's 25 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. I am so excited. I think this is my first Advent Calendar purchase. I've never tried one of these before, but I love watching these videos, so I thought this year I would try one out for you guys. So really quickly, before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I am doing a huge giveaway right now. I'll have it linked in my description box below if you guys want to check that out. And also, make sure you guys have your notifications turned on. That way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. All you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button, and then you'll receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is the Macy's 25 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. The price of this is $99, and it says that it has a $434 value, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. I tried not to look whenever I ordered it. I just like searched up advent calendars, put it in my cart, and then ordered it, and I feel like the shipping was pretty fast too. So let's go ahead and start opening it up. I wish I could like show you guys it held up me actually opening each of the things, but this thing is too big to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open day one. Ooh, okay, this is already starting off good. So the first thing I got is this eyeliner, and this is from Galactic. I actually already own this, and I love this eyeliner. I'm almost out of mine, actually, so this is perfect. It's just a felt tip liquid eyeliner, and this one is like really black, and it lasts a really long time. I love Galactic's products. I feel like they're a super underrated brand, so I love that this is in here. So moving on to day two. This one is like a longer shape. Ooh, okay, we got another good one. So this is like a mini size of the Lancome Monsieur. I always say this wrong every time. Big mascara, and I've heard really good things about this. I've had a bunch of little like of these before, and I cannot remember if I've actually like tried this mascara or not, but I know a lot of people love it. So here is what the wand looks like. So it's just a mini size mascara. So far so good. We've gotten two high-end brands. I'm gonna like keep everything out so we can go over it at the end. All right, moving on to day three. This one is a bigger one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are like really good. So the next thing I got is this, and this is the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, sage, and orange blossom. I don't personally like these sprays, but I know a lot of people love these, so this is actually really exciting to get. So 3 really good things in a row. Hopefully we keep up like with good things, and I just hope like all the good things aren't like just at the beginning. All right, so day 4 is also a pretty big one. Let's see. Okay, so we have some Clinique. I got the Clinique Liquid Facial Soap. This is the oily skin formula. It's for combination oily skin. It says it's allergy-free, 100% fragrance-free. So this is just a cleanser, and I've heard really good things about Clinique skincare. I will probably put this like in a giveaway or something because I don't have like oily skin, so this will probably be good for one of you guys like in a giveaway, but this is also really good to get. This is like I believe a mini size of this. Moving on to day 5. Ooh, we got another high-end skincare brand. So we got a little mini size of this. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Firm X Collagen Moisturizer. I've heard really good things about this skincare brand, but I haven't really tried many of their things, but I know they're really expensive. It says it has 7 forms of collagen and collagen supporting ingredients. It says apply twice daily to cleanse face and neck with continued use. So this has 0.25 fluid ounces. So this is also really good to get. All right, day 6. Let's see, what is this? All right, so we got something here from Kojendo, which is also, I believe, a higher end brand, and this is their cleansing spa water. It says that it contains natural herbal essences. It's alcohol free and mildly acidic. So I wonder if, oh, it's a makeup remover. So this is also really cool. I've never tried anything from this brand, but I think I might actually test this out. It says that it quickly and gently removes makeup. It's rinse free and oil free. Ooh, so I actually really like that a lot. So we've gotten a lot of skincare so far. All right, that was day 6. Now moving on to day 7. We got another makeup item here, and it's from Stila. This is one of their Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadows. I have a bunch of their Glitter and Glow ones. I don't think I own any of the Shimmer and Glow, and this one is in the shade Starlight, which looks like it's like a really pretty champagne color. I'm actually like really excited about this. Ooh, okay, here's what it looks like. Let's do a little swatch on my hand. Okay, yeah, that shade is really pretty. Hopefully you guys can see it, but it's just like a shimmery gold champagne. Now we're on day 8. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got another high-end makeup item, and this is from Tarte. This is their Lippy Lingerie. This is their matte tint lip crayon, and it's in the shade Whisper, which looks like a shade that I'm going to love. I feel like maybe I do actually own one of these. This is such a pretty shade. I love lip crayons like this. Here is the shade. I'm actually wearing one of the ColourPop lip crayons right now, so I'm actually really excited to try this out. All right, day 9. I know this is going to be a brush just based on how the little thing looks, and this is a Luxie brush. This is the Luxie 504 large angled brush. It's a little smushed, I guess, from being in the box, but how exciting to get Luxie brushes in this advent calendar. I really like Luxie brushes. They are definitely high quality, so this is another really exciting thing. I feel like so far everything has been amazing, and I hope it stays that way. All right, day 10. So I've never heard of this brand before, but this is from the brand Levito, I believe. And this is their Age Away Hydrating Cream. I believe this is just like a moisturizer, and it's like a little travel size. It says revitalize, hydrate, and repair. It's for normal to dry skin. So there isn't many claims on here, but we just got a little moisturizer. That was what day are we even on? Okay, we're on day 11. All right, so we got another high-end makeup brand. We got this from Pur Cosmetics. This is their 4-in-1 correcting primer. It says this is their anti-blemish and mattifying acne treatment. So I'll probably put this in a giveaway as well because I don't need a primer like that, but it's just a mini size of this primer. It says this dual action blemish fighting primer instantly blurs the look of imperfections and enlarged pores while helping to protect skin from future breakouts. So there is salicylic acid in here. All right, that was day 11. Okay, day 12. Ooh. Okay, we got another high-end skincare brand. This is a little mini size of an Elemis product. This is their Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. It says it's an anti-wrinkle night cream. It says it helps to maintain optimum skin condition and that you're supposed to apply it every evening to cleanse dry skin. I know a lot of people love this brand. I just never buy any of their products, but I have heard really good things about their whole Pro Collagen line. Okay, so day 13. I feel like I'm struggling to find where these are because they're all over the place. All right, so okay, we got more skincare. This is from the brand, I believe it's Codaly. I always feel like I say this wrong. This is their Vino Perfect Radiance Serum, which I have tried before and I did like it. I know a lot of people love this product. This is just a little mini size of that, and you're supposed to apply it morning and evening before moisturizer. So this is also a really good skincare thing to get. I feel like this advent calendar is really good so far. Day 14, more skincare. They do sell this brand at Sephora. This is the Eve Loam Rescue Mask. I have tried their cleansing balm before. That's the only thing I've tried from this brand. I'm not sure what people really think about this brand. I know it is pretty expensive that they sell it at Sephora, but I don't know if this is a popular brand or not. But I have heard of it, so I do think that's exciting to get, especially when it's a Sephora brand, a high-end brand. All right, that was day 14. Where is day 15? Ooh, okay. We have a lot of skincare. We have this right here, and I know this is a really expensive brand, and I'm pretty sure they sell it at Sephora as well. I don't know if you just say it SKII. I really don't know. But this is their moisturizing cream, and this is their Radical New Age moisturizer, I believe. I have heard really good things about this brand. I know it's really expensive. I've never bought any of their products, so that's exciting to get in an advent calendar. All right, day 16. I got a primer here from Bare Minerals. This is the Prime Time Original Foundation Primer. It says apply a thin, even layer all over the face and allow it to dry. So I've never tried this. I don't think that I've tried this. I've tried their Prime Time setting spray, but I've never tried their primer before, so I do think that this is exciting. There hasn't been any brand so far that I don't know besides this one. Okay, that was day 16. Day 17. This is interesting. All right, we have this right here, and this is the Elizabeth Arden Vitamin C Renewal Serum. So I guess you just take out one of these little bead things, and the serum is in here. I have heard of this brand, never tried any of their products, but I'm pretty sure this is is like an expensive skincare brand. All right, day 18. Oh, we have more skincare, and it is another high-end brand. This is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion like exfoliator. I used to use this all the time. This is the age-defying one. This is just an exfoliator that has like little tiny micro beads in it. All right, day 19. We have this right here. This is from the brand Shishido, I believe. Shishido, pretty sure it's Shishido. This is their Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate. Is this skincare? Let's look this up because I'm not actually sure what this is. All right, so this is a skincare product. It says it strengthens the skin, resists damage. It helps to protect against like daily damage and visible signs of aging. So this is another skincare product. I feel like there's a lot of skincare in this advent calendar. Man, I don't remember what day that was. I feel like that was day 19. All right, moving on to day 20. We have this Pericone MD, which I believe is another skincare product. Cold Plasma Plus Advanced Serum Concentrate. Yes, this is more skincare. Let's see. It says, after cleansing, massage onto face and neck using a gentle upward motion. Use morning and evening. Day 21. Oh my goodness. More skincare. This one is from Sundari, which I actually do like their products. This is their Ice Cream Hydrate. What is this? I believe it's a moisturizer. There's not much info like on the little jar or anything, but I'm pretty sure this is a moisturizer. So here's what it looks like. That's actually exciting because Sundari is also another really high-end skincare brand. I wish there was more like makeup in here, but that's okay. All right, day 22. Okay, there is more makeup, just as I said that. So there is this little sample size of the Mercier translucent powder. This is the translucent glow powder, which is not like my favorite, but it is exciting to get like a Mercier powder in here, and a little sample size is so cute. We are almost done. Day 23. This is more skincare. So we have this right here, and I don't know how to say this brand. Sundari, maybe? This is just an eye oil. It says to place 1 drop on your finger and gently press around the eye. So that's interesting. Instead of like an eye cream, it's an eye oil. I've never heard of this brand, but you know, that's okay. I definitely do want to actually try that out. All right, day 24. More skincare. So this is the Kiehls Super Multi-Corrective Cream. It says that it visibly firms, lifts, smooths, boosts radiance, moisturizes, evens texture, and enhances healthy complexion. I'm actually excited about this because I really like their products. I know they have like essential oils and stuff in them, which is not good, but I don't know, I've had just like good experiences with their products, so I'm actually excited about this. Of course, it smells good. I wish it didn't have the fragrance and all the oils in it, but I am actually excited to get this. I was actually hoping when I saw that it was Kiehls that it was going to be like their Midnight Recovery Eye Cream, because I've always wanted to try that, but it is just like, I think it's just a moisturizer. All right, what day was that? I don't even know what day that was. I think it was 24. All right, we're on the last day, and 25 is like one of the biggest ones, so hopefully this is something good. Seriously? Oh, how lame. Okay, day 25 is just a $10 off coupon. I feel like that's so lame. I was expecting like this big grand thing on day 25 and it's a coupon. It just says $10 off your next beauty purchase on Macy's.com. I'm not excited about that. All right, you guys, so that is everything that came in the Macy's 25 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. Honestly, that was a really good advent calendar. I would say it's definitely pretty skincare heavy, but there are all high-end brands in this advent calendar. So for $100, I feel like you're getting a lot of really good things. So there were 8 makeup like items that included the makeup brush. And then there were 16 skincare items in this advent calendar. So definitely really heavily like skincare advent calendar, but honestly, I was actually really happy with everything that I got. The only thing that I was really disappointed in was the last day, which was the $10 off coupon. Like, I don't know why even include this, just because they're trying to make you like buy more stuff from them. I don't know. I don't really like that. But everything else I thought was really good. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of this advent calendar. And also let me know if there are more advent calendars that you want me to unbox. I would definitely love to do more of these videos. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys check out that giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of today's video. You definitely don't want to miss out on that. And also, before you guys go, make sure you turn on your notifications. All you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button, and then you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.